Hello everyone. In this video of microprocessor and interfacing devices, I am explaining rotate instruction of 8086 microprocessor. So let's start with the first type, that is ROL. This is the format of instruction ROL, R comma, and here you can write either R or data. So example is given ROL AH comma 01. So here 01 indicates number of times we want to rotate the contents of AH register. So what this R indicates rotate contents of AH register. This L indicates towards left and this indicates by 1 bit position. That means this instruction says rotate the contents of AH register towards left by 1 bit position. Let's see here, I have shown the format of AH register. This is D0 bit and this is D7 bit position. And this is carry flag. We know that AH register is general purpose 8-bit register available in the execution unit of 8086. And carry flag is a flag of processor status word. What happens when we execute this instruction? Every bit will get rotated towards left by 1 bit position. So D0 will come over D1 and D7 will enter into carry flag and same D7 will also enter in D0 bit position. Now see, it is simple ROL. It is said that it is ROL, rotate left without carry. So what happens? Let's assume that these are the contents of AH register, that is 11000110, and carry flag holds 0. So after execution of this instruction, just see carefully what is happening. Every bit will rotate towards left by 1 bit position like this. Now D7 has 1 is entering in carry flag as well as D7, that is 1 is entering in D0 bit position. So again I am showing you, please see carefully what happens. So every bit will rotate towards left by 1 bit position. Why 1 bit position? Because here what is written? Here it is written 0, 1. Now next instruction. Now next instruction is same, says rotate contents of AH register towards left but now by 3 bit position. Here it is 3. So it indicates that we have to rotate, or it will rotate the contents of AH register towards left by 3 bit position. That means whichever is the bit at D0 position, after rotating it 3 times, it will come over here. That means in one rotation, it will come over here 1, 2 and 3. 3 bit position means rotation 3 times. Rotating it 3 times. So if some bit is here, like it is shown by purple color arrow, so that bit will enter at D4 position. In the first rotation, it will come over here, second rotation here, and in third rotation here, because we are rotating it 3 times. Now what happens to the bit which is at D5? In first rotate, this bit will enter here. In second rotate, it will enter here. And in the third rotate, it will enter in the carry flag. Now similarly, in the third rotate, it will also enter in this position, that is D0 position. Because in third rotate, prior to third rotate, it was here, and we know that when some bit is here and we execute rotate instruction ROL, that bit will enter into carry flag as well as same bit will enter in D0 bit position. So again I am showing you, let's assume that these are the bits, the contents of AH register. Now D5 bit, after rotating it 3 times, the D5 will enter in the carry flag and same D5 will also enter in D0 bit position. How? As I told you, in first rotate it will go here, in second rotate it will go in D7, and in third rotate it will enter into carry as well as in D0 position. So let's see how it happens like this. And other bits will also move towards left by 3 bit position. Every bit is, even D3 will move towards left by 3 bit position. That means 1, 2 and 3. So whatever is at D3 0, it will enter at D6 position. So again I am showing you. Let's see. Let's see one more time. Like this. Now next instruction. What is next instruction? Next instruction is RCL. Now this is also rotate. L stands for left, but now it is through carry because it is not ROL but it is RCL. So what this instruction says? This instruction says rotate contents of CL register towards left through carry by 1 bit position. Rotate contents of CL register towards left through carry by 1 bit position. So what is difference between ROL and RCL? ROL is without carry and RCL is through carry. So what is the meaning of through carry? Through carry means whatever is there in D7 will enter into carry flag and whatever is there in the carry flag will enter in D0. What happens in ROL? In ROL, same D7 enters at D0 bit position, but in RCL, the carry will enter into D0 position. Now let's see, carry flag holds 0 and these are the other contents of CL register. So let's see after execution what happens. Every bit is moving or rotating towards left by 1 bit position. Now again one more time I am showing D7 will enter into carry flag position like this. Again I am showing whatever is there in the carry flag, that is 0, that will enter at D0 position. So this is RCL. Now next instruction. Next instruction is rotate right. So now here it is right. That is the only difference, but it is without carry. Rotate right without carry. So what this instruction says, R stands for rotate. Rotate contents of BH register towards right by 1 bit position. What this instruction says? Rotate contents of BH register towards right by 1 bit position but without carry. That means it is not through carry. So what happens now? What I have done, the carry flag I have drawn on this side for convenience, because in this instruction if you draw carry flag on this side it is little bit confusing. So it is always better or suggested to draw in the right instruction, draw carry flag out in the right direction, so understanding becomes easy. So what happens, this D0 bit, whatever is there in the D0 bit position in BH register, that will enter into carry flag and same bit will also enter in D7 position and every bit will rotate towards right by 1 bit position. Now let's assume that these are the contents of register and let's see what happens. This D0 is 0, 0 will enter into carry flag and same 0 will also enter in D7 flag. D7 bit position and other bits will also rotate towards right. So let's see how it is taking place. One more time, see carefully how bits are rotating towards right by 1 bit position. Now next is RCR. Now similar to RCL, it is RCR now. It was, the previous one was ROR, rotate right without carry. Now this is rotate right with carry. So what this instruction says, this R stands for rotate. Rotate the contents of register DL towards right through carry by 1 bit position, because here 1 is mentioned and C is through carry. So what is the difference then? So what will happen in this? Whatever is there in the D0 bit position, that will enter into carry flag and whatever is there in the carry flag will enter into D7 flag. In ROR what happens? Same D0 enters into D7, but in RCR instruction D0 becomes carry flag and carry flag becomes D7 bit. So now again assume that these are the contents and carry flag holds 1. So after execution of this instruction, this 0 will move over carry flag and carry flag 1 will go to D7 bit position. Let's see how it happens. And every bit is rotating towards right by 1 bit position. Again, I am showing it. See carefully how bits are rotating towards right. Now next instruction, same RCR, rotate contents of CX register. Now in place of 8-bit register, I have written 16-bit register because CX is 16-bit register. Rotate contents of 16-bit register CX towards right. C stands for through carry, but now by 2-bit position. 2-bit position means whatever is, now it is rotate right. So whatever is there at 15 will enter into 13 because we are rotating two times rotate towards right by 2-bit position. So in one rotation it will come over here and in second rotation it will come over here. So whatever is there in D0, so in one rotation it will enter into carry flag and in second rotation it will enter into D15. So whatever is there in D1, in first rotation it will enter into D0 and in second rotation it will enter into carry flag. And every bit will rotate towards right by 2-bit position. So let's see what happens. See carefully how bits are moving. Now here even the path, I have shown the path of D0 and carry flag. One more time, see carefully how bits are moving towards right by 2-bit position. Again one more time. Like this. Now next. Now this is a small program. What I have written move AL comma 04. That means move this 04. It is data into AL register. So after execution of this instruction, AL will hold 04. Now what I have written RCR. Rotate contents of 16-bit register CX towards right through carry, but now here I have written AL in place of data. So I have written AL. What AL holds 04. So it will rotate the contents of CX towards right through carry by 4-bit position. So what happens if AL holds 03, it will rotate it 3 times. If AL holds 02, it will rotate it 3 times or 2 times, whatever AL holds. And now here, since AL holds 04, it will rotate the contents of CX towards right by 4-bit position. Why 4-bit position? Because AL holds 04. So suppose you want to rotate by 5-bit position, so enter 05 into AL register. So whatever, if you want to rotate it 8 times, so enter 8 into AL register and here you have to simply write AL. So this is also a correct format. You can also write here register in place of data. So now let's assume that these are the contents of CX register. So what will happen? Every bit will rotate towards right by 4-bit position. So whatever is there in the D15, in one rotation it will come over here 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means whatever is there in D15 that will enter into D11. Whatever is there in D14 will enter into D10. Whatever is there in D13 will enter into D9 and similarly other bits will also. Whatever is there in the carry flag. In the first rotate, this carry flag will enter in D15, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means in 4 rotation, whatever is there in the carry flag will enter into D12 bit. And other bits will also rotate towards right by 4-bit position. Let's see how it takes place. See very carefully what is happening. One more time I will show. See one more time. See carefully how bits are rotating towards right by 4-bit position through carry. Remember that we can write here even register and whatever register holds it will rotate it that many times. So it was all about the rotate instructions of 8086 microprocessor. I hope you understood the concept of rotate instruction. If you have any queries, you can always ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.